How to log in into online banking account of Lloyds Bank. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can log in into your online banking account of Lloyds. In order to log in into your online banking account of Lloyds Bank, what you need to do is first of all make sure that you have already registered, and then to begin with open up a web browser of your choice. After that, on the web address bar, you need to type in or paste in the link, that is www.lloydsbank.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. Now this is going to take you to the official web page of Lloyds Bank. So then to log in into your account, as you can see right on top, you have log on. Just tap on it and then you'll be asked to select whether you need to log in into a personal account or business account. So select it accordingly. If you don't have an online banking account, you can also tap on the register online link, which is right on top, and then register yourself into an online banking account of Lloyds Bank. So then to begin with the login procedure, enter in your user ID and a password associated with the Lloyds Bank and click on the login button or continue, which is right at the bottom. If you have provided a valid information, you'll be logged in. However, if you're unable to log in, you can also update your information by tapping on forgot your logon details. After updating it, you can just retry it again and then you might be able to log in into your account. In this way, you can log in into your online banking account of Lloyds Bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.